Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to install and configure Tableau server into CentOS 7. For this we want one VM instance of CentOS 7. So I have GCP platform, so I'll create one instance here. Just before proceed, go through this requirement guide of Tableau. Okay, you will find into help.tableau.com. Okay, so I'll create one instance 1, and I'll take 4 CPU and 15 GB RAM and 80 GB hard drive and CentOS 7. Allow firewall, then and create. It will create. Wait 2-3, not 2-3 minutes, only within a second it will be ready. Okay friends, this is my website. In tutorial you'll find Tableau link here. Okay, all script will be here. I'll put all script here in this website. Okay, it's done. Then SSH. It's very good. Like one web browser you can do everything. No need to install, no need to SSH manually. It's good enough. Okay, this SSH sudo -i, and it is a fresh VM, so we'll do yum update. So it will update. It's updating all repository. You'll find all thing here, big data thing, Linux thing, jQuery Ajax thing. So okay, it will be done. See, it's installing everything, SDK and all. It's pretty good. Oh, done. Now we'll start installation. In as you know, in CentOS or Red Hat, you won't get wget pre-install, so we have to install wget for download. And I have one link. You will find this link into tableau.com or Google, you can find easily, or I'll also put that link into my website. Okay, so you will get good, like very quick access. Okay, it's pretty fast. See, 100 MB. Okay, it's done. Then I'll change mode, some formation. Okay, now we'll install it using sudo yum install, or if it's not, yum install is not working, just use rpm-i and rpm name. Installation begin. Yes, enter. It will install very fast. Speed is very good. His document is very good Tableau documentation. So you will understand easily how to configure everything. And I will prepare one video for desktop also. This server is installed. Now what we'll do, we'll create one user. This user will be Tableau user. So using this username and password you can able to log in. Tableau passwd admin provide password. Okay, and add into sudo main group. Okay, oops, sorry. Okay, I added into main group. Now what you need to do, see this TSM admin is not created, so it will show group is not exist. So it's done. Then you need to do two things. First you need to disable firewall, or uh, if your company is using firewall, so just add two port 80 and 885. So see it's running, so we'll disable. Okay, see status is deactive, inactive. Okay, and it's done. Then switch to admin user, because you can't run uh, below script using root user. This is the script, so go to this path and just press tab, so it will automatically take. Enter, so pwd. Okay, now just fire this command and it will boom, provide admin password. Starting TSM services, it will take time, little bit time. Once it's done, then we'll log into web console and will activate and will create one admin user, and you can able to see that Tableau uh, web console. Okay, 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 it's done. See what is showing, is showing 8850 is a port. Okay, so what we'll do, uh, we'll add this user into this group. Okay, and it's showing one note, this group membership not changed, just log log back in, like we have to log out and log in again. So we'll exit everything, and again we'll log in. Okay, it's done. Now we have port number 8850. Okay, and we'll go to this external IP. We'll copy this IP. We'll copy this IP and new tab, paste it, 8850, enter. Oops, sorry. HTTP as paste, then 8850. Port should be 8850. Go to trial and you will get this screen. Okay, XYZ demo, user, phone number XXX, xyz.com, organization demo, industry. Okay, software and technology department, IT, job role, audio analyst, city, Pune, in city, Nagpur, postal 0000, region, India, obviously. Where's my India? Okay, Maharashtra. Then click on registration. Register, not registration. Okay, it will go to setup. If you have Active Directory, click on Active Directory, provide OU everything, and if you don't have, just local, port is 80, and initialize. It will initialize. Here it will take time. It will take more time here. Activation. So little bit will stop video. Okay, so it will be complete 36. Initialization is completed, so we'll continue it. See, it's showing you will need to create Tableau server administrator account, so we'll create it. Just click, see it will show your admin account is not created, so we need to create that account. See, okay, so what we'll do, we'll go to here and see, password is password, admin is a user, so this command will fire. Okay, it's done. We'll refresh it, see what will happen. Then admin is user. Okay, it's successfully login. you can see Tableau dashboard. Okay. Okay friends, this is done. Just comment, like, subscribe, and if you have any issue, if you got any issue, just let me know. And one more thing, form validate. This is my website formvalidated.com. You will find this tutorial. Not here, sorry. Tableau installation. Okay, I'll put into description, no issue, this link. Thank you very much. Enjoy.